In this video, you will learn how our chatbot called StudyBuddy is designed to improve student study habits and is currently deployed in Slack Workplace. Simply find our StudyBuddy in the Apps section. You can access it over Slack mobile app as well. The functionality was exactly the same. Firstly, I want to introduce the survey feature that allows students to diagnose their study habits by themselves. In the chat box, simply type survey, and StudyBuddy will give me a set of survey to complete. And I click Begin Survey, and these are a set of questions related to study behaviors, and I will click if these behaviors are typical for me or not. There are in total 14 questions, so it will be pretty quick and easy to complete. I complete the survey, and it shows the result. For example, here I can see I'm pretty good in motivation and self-testing skills. I'm fairly low in these two dimensions. They are selecting main ideas and information processing. I can also compare my score with the average group score so that I can learn the relative position compared with my peers. And this survey is periodically prompt, and it has saved all students' previous results history and allows students to monitor their study habits over time. Now, let's look at a real interaction case. In this scenario, Helen is a CS freshman who has poor time management skills. She often procrastinates and she needs help on her assignments. Firstly, StudyBuddy allows Helen to put her assignments deadline onto a scheduler. So here, she put 2 assignments deadlines and 1 final project, and StudyBuddy breaks down a large project into smaller parts and suggests some internal deadlines of each checkpoint. When the deadline is approaching, Helen wasn't aware. She was still watching some cat videos on YouTube. She received a reminder that Java assignment 2 is due in a week, and StudyBuddy reminds her to get started. After reading the description, she informs the bot, but she has some questions about the concept taught in class. After some back and forth conversation, StudyBuddy identifies the concept that were taught in the lecture and develops a study plan for Helen. And StudyBuddy also recommends some related resources for Helen to learn. Periodically, Helen receives useful tips written by experienced CS students, which keeps Helen on track. Now, Helen has another question related to the assignment. StudyBuddy can understand Helen's specific needs and using dialogue to promote Helen's deep thinking and understanding of some important concepts, and finally be able to finish her assignment. Over the course, StudyBuddy keeps checking in with Helen regularly. For example, here Helen needs some hands-on help on her Java IDE, which cannot be quickly resolved by engaging in dialogue. It can direct Helen to a human tutor who helps her resolve the problem. That's all features we designed. Hope you enjoyed the video.